If you have not seen it, the Stranger Things First Shadow play is a Vecna origin story. It's a Broadway play. You can only see it if you go to Broadway. Both the Duffer Brothers said that it's meant to be canon, and during that play, they heavily imply that Henry Creel was just a nice boy that was then pulled into another dimension called Dimension X. It's not the Upside Down, it's a different alternate dimension. He was stuck there for 12 hours, then mysteriously came back with his powers and under the heavy control of the Mind Flayer. So it's implied that the Mind Flayer was responsible for everything, gave Henry Creel his powers, and potentially it was the Mind Flayer influencing him this whole time to do all these different things. During the actual play, they also get into more Harry Potter Voldemort references with Henry Creel's relationship with the Mind Flayer, where he says that he was not strong enough to keep the Mind Flayer out of his mind, the same way that Harry Potter, during the Harry Potter series, tries to keep Voldemort out of his mind because of their psychic connection. So a lot of people are wondering if this means that the Mind Flayer might theoretically be the actual final boss of this series, not Vecna himself. That is currently just a theory. We have not seen all the episodes yet, so it's still hanging in the air. You can all post your theories in the comments below. During this first block of episodes, things also proceed in a very Harry Potter type of style, where Harry Potter learns that he has a connection to Voldemort and then wants to try and use that to learn more about him and help capture him. They jump forward to the present day of the series, and it's been a little while since the end of Season 4. This is meant to be Holly Wheeler, Mike and Nancy's younger sister, like I said. Really important character for this first block of episodes. She sees what she thinks is an imaginary friend, but we know is Vecna in his Henry Creel form, just making himself look like his human form Henry Creel, so she doesn't know that it's Vecna. We eventually find out that he yoinks her and takes her inside the special wall of the Upside Down and says that he's going to take all of her friends, save them, he says, really take them, capture them, and he has room for everybody inside his mind palace, inside this special wall place. He's visualizing it as a regular version of his original house. We've been there during Season 4. It's all decrepit now, both in the right side up and in the upside down. It looks like trash now. Later, Will has another vision where he actually sees them all rigged up into the tubes, getting the goo put inside them, just confirming that the same thing that happened to him is happening to them now. We also learned this is probably inside Hawkins' laboratory, which is in the center of where this wall is around Hawkins of the Upside Down. Then we find out that since the events of Season 4, pretty much everybody, almost everybody except for Hopper, the whole Dungeons & Dragons group has been staying at Mike and Nancy's. It's super crowded. They played it mostly for comedy, but they've all been living in this military quarantine, which they then explain. Robin's the new DJ. Her radio show is called The Morning Squawk, which she uses to be a DJ, but also to get covert information to all the different groups using code. There's a little bit of exposition that she gives off too, just to catch people up. So she says that Vecna's discharge spread through the air